To my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make an edit on CapCut. First, get a photo. Let's get one. I'm gonna do today I'm going to do the rain, Actually, no, not that. Let's actually do something cool, like a Lamborghini. Search images. And let's actually find like that's actually good. Let's see this. Now this, we're looking for the adventure. Actually, let's open this. Make sure they're not like more than like 500x500. Won't fit into your CapCut then. It'd be like not good. If you can't find it, search 500x500 photos. Yep, this is good. And choose like a regular car, like a Toyota Corolla. Or something like that, like other Toyotas, they're like small. Let's go now. So we first, oh wait, yep, I can't fit that. Wrong one. Again, right, 500x500 photos. Yeah, like this. This is good actually. So save image to downloads, and it'll open your files if you press this. Look for it here, import, and we're going to add like an audio, so like edits or like funk. I want to do true funk. Find any good ones. This is good. Corolla. Yo, this is good. Cappuccino. Make it big long. Make sure it like matches up. Cappuccini, Casassini. Yep, so that's good. We import another one. So like the like this one, the one I imported like first. We add this to your your thing. So here it is. And if you want to add like a special effect, like when it opens, so like here it is. Yep. So there it is. So let's see. Let's do TV on actually, because this is actually a bit bad. So let's do TV on for effects. So like this one, this is good. You could do one of these. I'm gonna do this. You put it here, and then try to match it up with the whole thing. Search for stickers and get the, skull. Wait, it already been added. Okay, so let's see the thing now. Oh yeah. Search for glitch for the filters. Sorry guys, I forgot I was making a video. If I can't find it, so let's go to effects again and search a glitch. This is good. I don't remember what I opened, guys, for last time. And for this song, you could add another one. So I'm gonna add another one, like the Bugatti Chiron. I'm gonna add that. You don't have to. Bro. You do the same thing and make the skull part longer. Get another glitch. And there you go. Now let's see.
Attento, odiatore di caffè. Assassini, cappuccini. Cappuccino assassino. Cappuccino assassino.
Okay, so
Questo killer
let's fix
furtivo
it
si
a
infiltra tra i
bit.
nemici approfittando della notte. Attento, odiatore di caffè. Assassini, cappuccini.
Sounds pretty fire.
Assassini, cappuccini. Se non bevi una tazza di cappuccino al mattino, è meglio non incrociare questo tizio. Attento, odiatore di caffè. Assassini, cappuccini. Cappuccino.
It keeps being bad. Like, let's see again.
Cappuccino assassino. Questo killer furtivo si infiltra tra i nemici approfittando della notte. Attento, odiatore di caffè. Assassini, cappuccini. Assassini, cappuccini. Se non bevi una tazza di cappuccino al mattino, è meglio non incrociare questo tizio. Attento, odiatore di caffè. Assassini, cappuccini. Cappuccino assassino.
So we can't have this emoji. So delete it and find another scope. Like, for example, this one. This is actually fire, guys. And now let's see. We gotta fix it. See? So we shorten it. We move it here. And now that's good. Now you can export. Now wait. This will take a long time. So, yeah. It'll take a bit of a long time because, the size is 377, like, megabytes or something. I don't know. I did not say that word used to. Okay, I'm kidding. So, I didn't say that word, sorry. It's 4K and 60 FPS. And it will be, like, a bit, like, long because of this, like, stuff we did. And this is actually a long edit. So, guys, that's a bit good. It's good. So we just gotta wait. I'm gonna show you my other stuff. Okay. Wait, what? Oh. Let's open another CapCut. This might take a bit of a long time. So, and yeah, guys. And let me show you this one. Let me know if I should show it. I mean, put it on YouTube. At that time I had two, yep. I made another one. Look. And yep, that's it. So let me know, guys, if I should put it into my YouTube because this is actually my first episode and first video. So I hope you like the tutorial. Give me the link, like the project names, and Hope you like this video, guys. And this is the end of the video, so goodbye. What? Yep, that's it.